Alright guys, so I'm starting out on freshly blow dried hair. For the sections of hair, I'm going to take 2 packs of this pre-stretched braiding hair in the shades 1B. I'm going to take 2 packs of number 4. I'm going to take 1 pack of number 27, 1 pack of 30, and 1 pack of 613s. I'm just taking 3 combs. I'm taking this Bonner Bros Supergirl hair grease and Shine and Jam extra hold gel. And for oil, I'm going in with the Talia Wahad healing oil. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I am not a pro, guys, so my parts are somewhat decent. So I'm just parting my hair into 3 sections. Front 2 is its own section and the back is 1 big section. Right now I'm just showing you. I'm going in with the pick because I don't have a rat tail comb and this is the closest thing to it, so it gets the parts really nice and neat. So once again, y'all, I am not a pro, okay? I just know how to do my own hair. Now I have my hair 2 sections in the front, 1 big one in the back. I'm going to go ahead and do the back off camera. So you see we're back. The back is all done, honey. It took me like half of the day, honestly, but I'm just showing y'all the back. Now to work on the front, I'm going in with the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Moisturizer to moisturize my hair. Your hair is going to be in braids, so you want to make sure your hair is nice and moisturized so it won't be dry and breaking in your braids, especially if you're going to keep your braids in for a very long time. Now I'm going to go ahead and section off my parts. I'm doing box parts, so no triangle parts, just the standard original box parts. And I like to start from down up. So I'm just parting this section. I'm using my Supergirl hair grease to grease my scalp because I do have a dry scalp. So I just like to grease my scalp really good. Also, I put my oil afterwards, which I did not show. I'm going to take that one section. I'm going to split it in half and I'm going to pin up one section. To lay my edges and to lay my hair and everything, I take the Shine and Jam gel and I just smooth everything out so my braids will be nice and sleek. And what I like to do, I like to twist the hair just a little bit. Taking a piece of braiding hair, I split it in half and I loop the section of hair onto the other hair. So you'll get like this ribbon type effect. I'm going to place my real hair in the middle of those 2 strands and then I'm literally just going to start braiding. So my hair is the 3rd piece of hair in the braid and I'm going to gradually take hair from the other sections of the braiding hair and add it to make a fuller section of hair to braid. Sounds a little confusing, but I'm going to show it again and I'm going to have an in-depth talk in a couple minutes. I'm just going to braid, make sure the root is nice and tight. Keep braiding tightly, don't braid loosely. So here I am parting my hair again, pinning it. Like I said, I don't like to do rubber band on thin edges because I don't want my edges to fall out, okay? I'm just using my jam and smoothing it onto my hair, and then I'm going to take a comb and just comb it through. I'm going to take a rubber band here and show y'all. You don't want the rubber band to be too tight. You want it tight enough, but you don't want it too tight to where it's going to break off your hair because rubber bands break your hair off. We don't need that. Also, you don't want the rubber band to be too loose because it will slip out of your hair. Trust me, it has happened to me. So here I am just doing the same steps over and over. Grease, jam, rubber band. This I'm just pre-parting my hair. I like to, sometimes when I have big sections, I like to just section and rubber band my hair and then braid right after. So you can see braiding. Now I'm starting to braid. Doing the same procedure, guys. Split it in half, put your hair through the middle, and braid. Don't worry, like I said, I'll have an in-depth talk. I wanted to come up here and talk. I'm almost done. It is 12:14 in the afternoon. I started my hair yesterday around, I want to say 11 a.m. I did take multiple breaks though. I watched 13 Reasons Why, because you guys know that came back on. I finished it. I was literally just stopping, like looking at the TV like this, so that's my fault. I took multiple breaks, longer than I needed to, and I ate and everything and took a shower, and I went to bed probably around 2 a.m. but I stopped braiding yesterday at around 12 o'clock. So I went from 11 a.m. to 12 o'clock with multiple breaks. And now I just have this small section left, which is about 10 to 15 braids, I want to say. It's all sections, so I just easily have to just grab the hair and just do it. I am tired, okay? Tired. I look a mess. Ooh, I look a mess, but my head is a little sore so far. The braids are a little heavy, but nothing crazy. It looks like this. I'll show like a full, you know, they're long. I have to dip them in hot water and everything, but ooh, I've been beasting for braids and I finally did them, so I just wanted to come up here. And when you're doing this, just, you know, make sure you're occupied. You know, my hand was cramping, so make sure, you know, you're occupied, but take some time and, you know, don't get sucked into a TV show like I did, because honey, I was into 13 Reasons Why like crazy. I know this has been a voiceover, but I want to show you guys exactly what I'm doing. This is like the easiest way, honestly, to do box braids in my opinion. I've seen people like do it where you have like the 3 legs and you have to do your hair and put them in the middle. That's too confusing when you're watching it. Like, you don't understand how to do your hair when you're watching it, and it's like, what? So let me show y'all. Take your hair. You want to get pre-section hair, because I've noticed with the pre-section hair, it goes by so much quicker because you're not wasting time trying to like fluff the ends, stretch the ends or whatever. So buy pre-stretched hair. Like, all my black pieces are pre-stretched. All my colored ones, I had to stretch them, which took forever, and they're so much longer, which I really don't really like. So pre-stretched. Let me show y'all. Taking the hair, this is the easiest way. Just leave it like this. Grip the middle. Take your piece of hair that you're about to braid, which is this one for me. Make sure the rubber band is up there nice. I'm gonna take the hair, put it under the braid. So I have 1, 2, and my braid is the 3rd strand. My hair is the 3rd strand. Pull up the 2, leave my hair down like this. And then I'm gonna take my hair, grip it, and twist these 2. Got it? Let me do it again. Hair, my hair. My hair. Grip it, pull it through, twist it, just like that. And then you're gonna start braiding. So your hair is gonna be a piece in the braid. Keep braiding, because I want my rubber band to be covered, even though you can barely tell, but keep going. And then soon, I'm gonna gradually take hair from one of the sections and put it to my hair so I can have enough hair to finish off the braid. So that's what it has. The root is tight, and then continue to braid down. Like that. Braiding, and then that's it. You just continue to braid the hair down. When you're braiding, make sure you keep the braid tight. You don't want loose braids, because when it's loose, it won't braid right towards the ends, and it'll just come unravel and everything, and you'll have big pieces, thin pieces. Keep the braid nice and tight. And I like to just make sure I don't get any tangles in the hair, so I'm just running my fingers through. Sometimes I like to take a little bit of my jam and put it on my finger to give it some grip, so I can grip the hair as I'm braiding, because this hair is very silky. Even if you have the silky hair or the neck of my hair with a little bit of a texture, I always do the jam just so I can grip the hair better and braid it. So this is real time of me braiding. So this was like, what, a minute, 2 minutes? I'll see when I edit. But this pre-stretch hair, I didn't even look at it. It's 25 inches and it's pretty long. Nothing too crazy long, but it'll do. It'll do. All the way down. Down. Boom, boom. Take some jam again. Braid it as much as I can. And then I'll take my finger and just go like that. And there you go. Braid. Nice, secure braid.